In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents in Google Docs. First, open your document and think about the main sections you want readers to jump to. Google Docs creates a table of contents from heading styles, so we'll start by marking those sections correctly. Click into the first section title you want included. With the title selected, go to the Format menu, choose Paragraph Styles, then Heading 1, and click Apply Heading 1. This tells Docs that this line is a top-level section. Repeat this for every major section title you want to appear in the table so nothing gets missed. If you've already customized how you want your headings to look, maybe you change the font size or color, set that as your standard, go back to Format, Paragraph Styles, Heading 1, and choose Update Heading 1 to match. Taking the extra moment to update the style keeps everything consistent and saves time as your document grows. Next, add subheadings. Highlight a subsection title under one of your main sections. Head back to Format, Paragraph Styles, Heading 2, and click Apply Heading 2. If you tweak the styling for these as well, use Update Heading 2 to match so all your subsections stay uniform. Work your way down the document, tagging each subsection the same way. As a quick guideline, use Heading 1 for main sections and Heading 2 for subsections. This structure is exactly what the table of contents will read. Before we insert the table, let's give it its own page so it's easy to find. Place your cursor right before the very first heading in the document. Insert a page break by pressing Ctrl plus Enter on Windows or Command plus Enter on a Mac. You'll now have a blank page at the top. Click anywhere on that blank page. Go to the Insert menu, choose Table of Contents, and pick the style you prefer. You can choose a version with page numbers, great for printing, or a version with clickable links, perfect for on-screen navigation. If you change your mind later, you can remove it and reinsert it. Your heading structure stays intact. If you later add, remove, or rename sections, updating the table is quick. Click once on the table of contents to select it, then press the refresh or update icon that appears. It will automatically rebuild itself based on the heading 1 and heading 2 styles you applied throughout the document. You can update it as often as you like while drafting. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more clear, practical Google Docs tips.